Today we're talking about the letter T. T makes that T sound. We have our capital T, which is the line down, the line across, and our lowercase t, which is the line down, and then we go about halfway and then over. T. So our first page is taco, tent, tooth, turtle, tape measure, tomato, and train. Now I've already colored them so that you don't have to watch me color, but you're going to color yours. And then when you're done with the coloring, what you're going to do is you're going to trace the words. So on the bottom of each word, there's those tracer lines. It says taco. We're going to trace those. So it's lowercase t, A, C, O. So there's taco. Now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do tent. T, E, N, T. Tent. Then tooth. T, O, O, T, H. Just tracing the word. I left tooth white because teeth should be white. That's why we brush our teeth every day. T, U, R, T, L, E, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. I'm going to go down here. This is tape, measure. This is actually two words. Tape starts with a T, but measure starts with an M. Tape, T, A, P, E. Now, tape is one of those that has a silent E. The E doesn't make a sound, but it makes the A say A instead of A. So tape. Then measure, M, E, A, S, U, R, E. Measure. Tape, measure. Then we have tomato. T, O, M, A, T, O. Tomato. Then we have train. T, R, A, I, N. Train. So you're going to trace each of the words. You're going to color the words, color the pictures to match the words. And then you're going to cut it out. So you're going to detach it and cut on the line. Part of this assignment is that you are trying to cut. You all have scissors at home. You need to be practicing cutting. When you get to the circle part, so I make a straight line. When I get to the circle, I'm going to move the paper and follow the dotted line. I'm not moving my scissors, I'm moving the paper. Cutting out is part of your assignment. You need to be practicing. Then we're going to go in the middle where there's a dotted line. Again, I'm only moving my paper. I'm not moving my scissors, and my hands are not near the blade. They're over here. You're going to have your two spots. You can tape them together, you could glue them together, or you can staple them together, but you're going to make a hat. And then you can wear your hat, and you can tell everybody about the words on your hat. This does not need to come back. This is your hat. The next part of our page for T is telescope begins with T. Circle and then color the pictures in each row that start with the same sound as the first picture. So, telescope or toy box both start with the T sound. T says T, T, like in tree. Or toy box, telescope, television or TV. We call it TV, but it's abbreviation for television. Then we have a football. Does football start with a T sound? No, so we're not going to color it. When we go down here, we have car or taxi, I guess taxi would. So I need to fix that one. I was thinking car. But yep, taxi would be one. So taxi. Teeth. Then we have a boat. Does boat start with it? With a T sound? No, so we're not going to color it. Then we have toast or toaster. They both start with a T sound. We have a toothbrush. Toothbrush. This is a typewriter. Before we had computers, people would type on a typewriter. And what it was is it had keys that went up to almost like a stamp, and it would stamp on the letter. So, and then it would move over to the next, and so you could write your words on a typewriter. Starts with a T sound. Then we have a torch. Statue of Liberty is holding a torch, which is a container that then has flames on it. Torch. And then a towel. Both of those have the T sound. Then on the bottom, we have capital T and we have lowercase t. You're going to be practicing those T's. So when we write our T, we have line across. We're going to go about in the middle all the way down, from solid line to solid line to make our T. Make sure that you're leaving a space between each of your letters. T. Goes right on the line and then down. Make a line, go to the middle, all the way down. Now, if I put another line down here, it'd make an I. We don't want an I, we just want the one line up on top. So line and then down. There's my T's, my capital T's. The lowercase t's, we go about halfway into the above the dotted line, between the dotted line and the top solid line, and then we go down, and then we go across. So we go about halfway down to the bottom line, and then across. So halfway, then down, across. Halfway, across. Making sure that we have those spaces in between each letter. And that's the letter T. T says T.